What up, peeps? It's your boy Gaming with GR, bringing you guys a brand new video. So in this video, it's quite a different one. It's not the car video that I promised. I wanted to show you guys a bit more about my car, a bit more about how it sounds and how it drives and whatnot. But there's a problem, and the problem is the video I recorded, you could barely hear my car. And it was basically me just talking about the car and how it sounds and how it drives. So I feel like it's kind of pointless to post that video if you can barely hear what's going on with my car. You can barely hear how it sounds like. So long story short, there's a kind of a problem with my car now, so I can't really take it out for a drive. The check battery light keeps on popping up or going on, and then the speedometer doesn't, or not the speedometer, the rev limiter doesn't work when the car is when the handbrake is up, because the handbrake also has a light. And I feel like I don't know what's going on, but there's kind of bit problems with the electric side of my car, because the fuel gauge or the heat gauge, sorry about that, the heat gauge didn't work, and then I got it fixed by some guy. By my mechanic. He fixed everything on the car, and then he fixed the heat gauge as like a little bonus. And for some reason the other day, while I was filming the video about my car, I think I kind of pushed the car a bit too hard, and then the check battery light went on, the car's speedometer or the rev limiter and the heat gauge stopped working. So I feel like I did push the car a bit too much. So this video is going to be showing you guys a little bit of a quick little video about this guy named Tony T, the JDM fanatic. If you guys don't know who he is, I've mentioned him. I think I've mentioned him on this channel before. He owns a shit ton of Japanese cars in South Africa. If I'm not mistaken, he probably has like 7 or 8 cars. That's all like, or he might have even more. I'm not sure. I cannot say for a fact, but he has a bunch of Japanese cars, and he has two of some of the rarest cars in South Africa, aka a Nissan Silvia S15 Spec R, and he also has a Honda Integra Type R that he went to Japan for both of them to get them. If I'm not mistaken, I know he went for a fact to get the Silvia in Japan, but I don't know about the Integra. Long story short, he has a shit ton of Japanese cars, a bunch of nice cars, and this video is basically me. He took me for a drive in his 200SX V8 swap, 3UZ V8 swap, and it has nitrous. So let's just say this car is insanely fast. It's insanely fun. It's a very fun car just to be in. So what normally happens is, because I live right across a gas station, I can't show you guys that right now because everything, actually I can, but there is the gas station, as you guys can see. And basically what happened is, I was filming him the one day, because that's what I normally do. When I hear his car, I go outside to record, because you know he's going to do crazy shit. He's almost like the Ken Block of South Africa. He does crazy shit wherever he wants to, whenever he wants to. So I decided to go outside to record him. And what happened was, he, instead of doing some donuts or like flying down the road, he decided to stop in front of my house, and he was like, "Yo man, I've been meaning to take you for a ride forever, take you for a spin in this car, and I know you always get excited when you see it." So he's a very nice guy. I didn't ask him to take me for a spin in the car. I didn't ask him to come here. He literally stopped here on his own accord. And I mean, he has a channel. He has 2.6k subs, I think, and he has almost 1 million views on his YouTube channel. He's getting close to it. So he decided to stop here and kind of just be like, "Yo, get in, man. Let's go for a drive." And let's just say it was pretty intense. I wasn't like nervous, but after the ride, when I got done, my hands were like shaking like this. I was going crazy. It was a very, very fun, different kind of experience. That's not something everybody can say they've been in. And it's a 200SX with a V8, you know. So it was kind of a once in a lifetime, quote unquote once in a lifetime opportunity. So he came and picked me up. We went for a spin. He did a few donuts. We did go kind of fast. We didn't do anything major crazy. So this video is going to be a bit short, but I will put all of the unedited clips that I recorded while going for a spin. I'll put all of those up in this video. I was gonna say I'm gonna cut all of the clips until it's only the interesting parts, but then the video is gonna be like more talking and less showing. So I'm gonna show you guys the parts of the clips that we recorded, that I recorded while I was going for a spin. And yeah, if you guys are interested in checking out this guy's channel, his name's Tony T, the JDM Fanatic on YouTube, or I'll just put a link to his channel in the description. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys that I'm gonna end the video, I'm gonna put an outro here because I'm not gonna speak at the end of the video. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to subscribe, go down into the comments, or drop a like, comment, whatever you guys want to see in the future video. Once my baby's fixed, I will take you guys for a drive around the block so that you guys can hear it. And one more thing before I end the video is I'm planning on putting I wanna put my GoPro right above here. I wanna put my GoPro somewhere over there so that you're able to hear the car properly, so that you're able to hear more about the car instead of me just talking shit in the video. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. It's been your boy Gaming with GR, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.
Oh wait, man. Thanks, man. My neighbors like me? Yeah, of course they like me. I would like to have you as a neighbor. Some nearby there. This area has nice roads. Yeah, but it's still either way it sounds nice. What's that whining noise? That's the gearbox. But you hear that on most race cars. Yeah, but that's what you hear from the race cars My neighbors are gonna love me. Of course they should. What? Everybody should love you for doing this.
sure. They really made sure.
Nobody goes fast around.
Yeah. Oh, I know where we are.
Yeah, that fucks really nice.